I was just filming a plane spotting video, and the Goodyear Blimp decided to do a flyby over the airport at like 10 feet. I kind of messed it up a little bit by my talking, and I had a mask on, so it might be a little hard for you to hear me, but it was really insane. Yeah, I'll just show you in the video. This blimp is doing some maneuvers, just angled down. Yeah, I don't know anything about blimps. It's getting really close to us. Oh my gosh. It looks a lot closer than it does on video I'm watching. I can barely see it right now. That's why it's so hard for me to get the correct focus in these videos. Because this screen is so small and it's really sunny. Jeez. Okay. Blimp is... What is this dude doing? What? It's like 100, 200 feet. That's 100 feet.
So, I'm guessing this doesn't happen often. No. Not every day.
Holy crap. What? What is this dude doing? Trying to make an emergency landing? Mayday, mayday, mayday. Goodyear Blimp. Holy crap! Holy crap. Man's making an emergency landing. What the heck? Is he? Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? What the heck? Oh my god. What? Okay, never mind.
I've never seen that.
What the heck? What is this? Man's going around. A blimp just performed a go-around at Santa Monica Airport. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention to the focus. Oh my god. What? I'm so glad I see the recording sign right now. If I ran out of SD card storage, I'd be so sad. Oh my god, this is gonna get 1 million views if I put that as the thumbnail. I did not come here expecting that to happen. I'm just saying that. Oh my god. It's another experimental plane. There's another Santa Monica Flyers plane. They mainly operate hyper sport cruisers, but they also have some 172s. I was just talking about Santa Monica Flyers 172. I'm pretty sure that's one of the Santa Monica Flyer 172s there are.
150 feet. 50 feet. 150 feet. 150 feet.
They're going to be landing on the runway right now. All right, just so you know that we're indeed landing, I'm going to provide the GPWS call out. Stop.
150, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Roger.
122 Papa, contact SoCal departure on 125.2, and they will let you know when the altitude restriction is canceled. 125.2.
Basically, if you want to listen to the live ATC, if you can hear me right now, so most planes will be, well, today, most planes will be taking off and landing at runway 21, which is this runway that you see right here. To the left is runway 3. And this is taxiway Bravo over there. And on the left side of us, on the left side of the runway from us, is taxiway Alpha. So the entrance to runway 21 will be Bravo 5, not 5. If you're on the right side of us, on the right side of the runway, that's runway 3, on the right side of runway 3, and on the left side of runway 3, if we're on runway 21, that'd be flipped. As you can see, this Cessna is
6746 Romeo, Santa Monica Tower, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
so 671 Romeo, I forgot his name, just came from Alpha 5.
Santa Monica altimeter 2984. There's a police helicopter over near Park Square.
Is that a tail stripe? Holy crap. I can't even see what I'm filming right now. Sorry, folks, really bad. I was just about to say that. There's November 181 Tango Romeo. Just taxied on to runway 21 from Alpha 5, which is the taxiway entrance from the left. On the right would be Bravo 5. Or like left and right from me. Okay, as we can see, the World War I plane is coming. I mean. My bad. After. The Santa Monica Flyers plan. There's a plane off in the distance, I can't see. Yeah, there it is. Does not look like a normal plane. Oh, I missed it. Thank you guys so much for watching this entire thing. That was really crazy to experience. I hope you liked the video. See you next one.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story, and I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.